All right, ready for page 3 here. So we're doing a little bit more applying our decimals in real life situations. And for this first one, it asks us to figure out the area of these two figures. Remember that area is length times width, so we're going to take these two numbers and add them together. Just write our formula down here. It's length times width. So we're going to take 10 and 4/10 and multiply it by 8 and 5/10. Again, putting the longer number at the top, not caring about the fact that the decimals just happen to line up here. It doesn't really matter. We don't worry about those decimals to the end. 5 times 4 is 20. Put my 0 down, carry my 2. 5 times 0 is 0, then plus 2 gives us 2 there, and then 5 times 1 is 5. Add a 0 there. 8 times 4 is 32. Put my 2 down, carry my 3. 8 times 0 is 0, and then 0 plus 3 is 3. And then 8 times 1 is 8. So we add up our rows here. 0, 4, 8, and 8. Added up our rows column by column. Now we're going to figure out where our decimal goes. 1, 2, 2 places in. 1, 2. And you're probably realizing by now that you can go ahead and drop that ending 0. So we've got 88 and 4 tenths square meters. Remember that area is always in square units for area. All right, on to our next one here. So we've got height or length of 2 and 75/100ths, and we're going to multiply that by 6 and 3/10. Again, doesn't matter that those decimal points lined up. That's only for addition or subtraction. 3 times 5 is 15, carry my 1. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22, carry my 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 more is 8. Bring down a 0 here because I'm moving over a digit. 6 times 5 is 30, put down my 0, carry my 3. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 more is 45, carry my 4. 6 times 2 is 12, and 4 more is 16. Add my rows up column by column. I kind of ran out of room here. I should have started up higher. Sorry about that, guys. So I'll just put my answer down here so you can see it better. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 and 5 is going to give me 13. Carry my 1. 6 and 1 is 7, and 1 there. Alrighty. And I am going to place my decimal now. 1, 2, 3 places in. 1, 2, 3 places in. So I should have 17 and 325 thousandths square centimeters. All right, now we've got a problem to solve here. Andy sells telephone systems. He earns $54.89 for every system he sells. Last week he sold 13 phone systems. How much money did he earn? So we know that for every phone he sells, he gets $54.89, and he's going to sell 13 of them. So it's like repeated addition. Anytime we see repeated addition, we know that that's multiplying. So we've got $54.89, and we're going to multiply that by 13. 9 times 3 is 27. Put down my 7, carry my 2. 3 times 8 is 24, and 2 more is 26. Carry my 2. 3 times 4 is 12, and 2 more is 14. Carry my 1. 3 times 5 is 15, and 1 is 16. I bring down a 0 here. And this one's nice. We just multiply by 1. So we've got 9. That's the identity property for multiplication, right? 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. Add up my 2 rows column by column. 7. 9 and 6 is 15. Carry my 1. 8 and 4 is 11. And 1 more is 12. Carry my 1. 6 and 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11, carry my 1, 5, 6, 7, $712.50. Oh, I made a mistake there, didn't I? 8. Should have been 13 here. Evidently, I'm having trouble with my 8s today, guys. All right. So we're going to place our decimal point. 1, 2. $713.57 is what he earned last week. All right. Now, this problem builds on this problem. It says Andy wanted to buy a new grill for $325.79. How much money? Oh, forgot the rest of my problem here. We want to know how much he'll have left after he's done with that grill. So we're going to take that $713.57 and we're going to subtract the $325.79. Alrighty, so here we go. We can't take 9 away from 7. We've got to regroup, borrow from here. 9 from 17 is going to give us 8. Can't take 7 away from 4. Got to regroup, make that 14. Bring down my decimal point. Can't take 5 away from 2. Got to regroup. There we go. And we're going to take a 5 away from 12. And that'll give us 7. Let's see, where am I? 2 away from 0, can't do that. Regroup, that'll give us 8, and then 3 away from 6. So he'll have $387.78 left after he buys his new grill. All right, well, by the time you see this, I'll have the rest of this problem in here. Okay, so that's page 3. Go ahead and watch this as many times as you need to, and I will get page 4 for you in just a second.